Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. In our video today, we are going to make this sweet porridge soup or sweet porridge or soup, whichever you name it, which is made out of macaroni. And this is a special recipe from my late grandmother. And I will tell you a story while I'm cooking and how I came to know and how I call the macaroni. And too bad she's not around to be with me here to sample it, but I know that she's in spirit with us or with me. So let's see how this is being made. And I also attribute this video to my late grandmother, Mrs. James or Mrs. Yanamal James, and the picture is here. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen. But before that, I would like to say some words in Tamil. Vanakkam நண்பர்களே, இன்னைக்கு ஆடி 2வது வெள்ளி நம்ம ஒரு தனி புதுமையான கஞ்சி தான் இது. எப்பவுமே பாயாசம் கஞ்சி எல்லாம் ஒரே இது கேட்டகரி தான். அதில் இது நான் ஒரு கஞ்சியாக நான் காய்ச்சுறேன். இது மக்கரோனி கஞ்சி. இது எங்கள் பாட்டிமார் செய்த கஞ்சி. இது உங்களுக்காக நான் பகிர்ந்து கொள்கிறேன். ஸோ அடுப்பாங்கரைக்கு போகலாம். போன வீடியோவில் நான் ஒரு தவறான வார்த்தையை பாவிச்சேன். அது குசினி ஆதி காலத்தில் உள்ள வார்த்தை பாவிச்சது. ஆனால் அதுக்கப்புறம் நினைச்சு பார்க்கும்போது சமையல் அறைன்னு சொல்லுறது இன்னும் சுலபமாக நல்ல வடிவான நல்ல வார்த்தை கேட்கறதுக்கு. ஸோ அதுக்காக இந்த கஞ்சி எப்படி செய்யறதுன்னு பார்ப்போம் இந்த ஆடி மாதம். நான் உங்களுக்கும் உங்கள் குடும்பக்கும் உங்கள் அன்பானவர்களுக்கெல்லாம் ஆடி மாதம் வாழ்த்துக்கள் நான் வாழ்த்துகிறேன். அதுக்கு நம்ம இப்போ அடுப்பாங்கரைக்கு போகலாம். So let's go viewers to the kitchen. To make this macaroni sweet porridge or the sweet soup, we need some boiled macaroni, as you can see it in my previous video, and I will link the link below on this video on how to prepare the macaroni tutorial. I have few fresh screwbine leaf, or in Malaysia they call it pandan leaves, or here in my place also some of them call it as pandan leaves. I do not know how they call it. And I also have 3/4 cups of sugar. I'll be using few pinches of salt, 1 cup of coconut cream, and 1 cup of water. And I have the pandan extract. The reason is this pandan leaves doesn't provide sufficient flavor. So to add it in to get some extra flavor, I'm adding in some extract. So let's get into the kitchen without further delay. Dear viewers, this is the method of cooking this sweet porridge. So first of all, turn on your stove to a medium high or medium, and we'll add the water, 1 cup of water, and also the coconut milk. And we have the coconut cream. We'll add the coconut cream as well. And we'll add some salt, approximately about 1 to 2 pinches of salt, because we are adding some sugar later. And we'll bring this to a boil. While this is going to come to a boil, I missed out one of the ingredients, which is some coconut, grated coconut, about 1/2 cup. So we will be adding this also into our dessert. So please include this as also part of the ingredients. The coconut milk or the cream with the water is now boiling, and it's time that we could add the coconut. And I will add the pasta or the macaroni. For this recipe, macaroni is the best. I will tell you a little story on this. How I came to know about this sweet porridge. It is from my grandmother. My grandmother passed away a few years ago, and when I was a child, my mother usually leave me at my grandmother's place. So because she's working, and so she will not be able to look after me. So I have been babysit by my grandmother. So some evenings my grandmother makes this dish and I do not know what is it, and I always say that the half moon straw, I do not know what it is. Macaroni is called the name right now, yes I know, but I do not know when I was a kid, so I usually say the half moon straw. So that is how I come to know about macaroni. And the first time when I ate macaroni this is the dish that I ate. So after many years I retried it myself and it was a success, so I'm sharing this video with you. Meanwhile, we wait for the macaroni to come to a boil, and then we'll add the next ingredient. And dear viewers, now it's time for us to add the sugar. So I'm going to add first with a quarter cup of sugar, or half a cup, and then I will taste it, then I'll add accordingly. I always have extra. If it's not enough, I will add extra. If it's less, if it's sufficient, then I don't have to continue. So just stir it till the sugar dissolves for a minute. Now I can turn off the stove, and also I'll add the pandan extract a little bit, approximately about quarter teaspoon. You don't need much. A quarter teaspoon should be good. I'll better take my measuring spoon, which will be more accurate. So quarter teaspoon. And then we'll see how it smells. No, we need more. Quarter teaspoon is sufficient, and followed by we'll add some pandan leaves. The pandan leaves that we have, we'll just add them in, and we are done. We are done with this, and this is all about it. She did not add any coconut, especially the grated coconut. I am adding it because I love coconut. So now I'm just going to close the pot and let the pandan leaves infuse into the soup. So we'll be back later. And dear viewers, here is our final product of the macaroni sweet soup or sweet porridge, and I hope you will try this in your home for this second Friday of month of Aadi, and this is my specialty that I'm making in my home, so I hope you will try this. And sounds a little unique, but do try this and you will enjoy. It's something special, so do try it. Thank you very much, dear viewers, for being with me, and thank you for those who are being faithful with me from my first day of this video. And I also welcome everyone who's new. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, like the video, and also share with everyone. Don't judge the book by its cover. Try it out once, then leave your comments below. So thank you for viewing Friday Friendly Kitchen, and see you in our next video. Till then, bye bye.